Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete search history on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete search history on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the settings button over here just above the help and feedback. And when you land over here, again tap on the privacy and data option just above the recommendations, and over here you can see the option that says manage search history. Now in order to delete your search history on your YouTube Music app, tap on it and you'll land over here where you can find the delete button for your search history over here. Now in order to delete your search history on YouTube Music app, tap on the delete button over here, and over here you will be able to delete you'll be able to delete the search history of either a custom range of time or today, or delete all time. You can choose your time from the custom range, guys, and with that being said, guys, choose the range or the period of the time of which you want to delete the search history on YouTube Music app. For example, I'll be just deleting the today's, and let's tap on delete of today, and you can see, guys, it says 1 day deleted. And on your case, choose your time period of the search history which you want to delete and delete it. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete search history on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.